What if I told you that you could grill fish on a charcoal barbecue and not have it stick? Well, you can, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it so you can do it too. One of the best parts about the summer is being able to get some fresh caught fish and throw it on the grill with just a little bit of smoke, and it turns out awesome every time. And to me, that's one of the great flavors of summer. To season the trout, I'm chopping up some fresh dill. Now, if you can't find fresh, you could always use the dried stuff. You just need to use more of it. Then I'm going to make some pretty deep cuts on both sides of the fish. It goes almost all the way to the backbone, and this allows the seasonings and smoke to get deeper into the fish and makes it cook more evenly. Add the dill and then some freshly squeezed lemon juice to the fish, as well as some kosher salt. We're going to let it marinate in the refrigerator while we take advantage of that weight and fire up the grill. I have a half a chimney of fully lit charcoal, which will be good for about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let me show you how I set up the grill. I had some extra charcoal left over from the last cook, and I'm going to set up a 2-zone fire by placing the lit charcoal evenly across the top of the unlit coals. This will give us a cool side to retreat to if the direct heat proves to be too intense and we start to burn the fish. We're going to top it off with a grill grate, and of course, don't forget the lid. At this point, the fish is done marinating, and you'll want to cover it with some high heat oil, like avocado. Make sure you rub it in so it's fully coated to avoid sticking on the grill. Then, put slices of dill-covered lemon into the cavity, which will give off an amazing flavor while it cooks. Some say that you should oil your grates, and others suggest oiling the food, but with fish, it's a good idea to oil both to avoid leaving most of your dinner stuck to the grates. You're going to put your trout on the hot side of the grill for about 5 minutes with the lid on so you can sear it and bake it at the same time. We're going to cook these for about 5 minutes on each side, and when it comes time to flipping them, there's one thing that you have to remember, and that is do it with utmost confidence. You have to get under with one fell swoop because that fish can smell your fear, and if it knows that you're afraid, it will stick like it's never ever stuck before. It's also a good idea to oil up the grates when you flip the fish over to the other side. Now, one of the fish is cooking faster than the other, so I'm going to have them trade places on the grill. Once you've seared both sides of the trout, you may need to put it on the cooler side to have it finish cooking. You'll know it's ready to come off when the fish flakes easily with a fork and has reached 145 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part. After that, take it inside and enjoy some fresh dill and lemon juice on top, or you can grill your lemons for a little bit of a sweeter flavor. This is just one way of cooking whole trout on the grill, and there are a bunch of different flavor combinations that you could use. If you have your favorite, go ahead and put it in the comments below so other people can know how they should make their fish too. If you clean the grill now and crank up the heat, it's going to clean a whole lot easier, and you'll also burn off all the fish oils and avoid tainting the food on your next cook. Now, this fish turned out absolutely fantastic, and now you know how to grill fish without worrying about it sticking.